Transfer unit for color printers MINOLTA Bizhub. Procedure for replacing the used transfer belt. Cleaning blade and reset the counter after replacement. We start by dismantling the transfer belt cleaning unit. Unscrew the two securing screws that are on the sides of the unit. You can now safely dismantle the cleaning module. Remember that there is a small wire under the front screw. Remove the small wire and secure it for repair. If you have a poor memory, mark the place where the little wire was installed. Remove the second securing screw, but there are no more surprises here. Lift the plate up and turn it upside down. You can expect the bottom of this element to be very dirty with toner, so just clean it. The next step is to unscrew one securing screw and dismantle the plate under which the spring is located. Use a small flat screwdriver to remove the transfer belt tension spring. But be especially careful, because the spring may pop out unexpectedly. We repeat exactly the same operation on the other side. I pull out the second tension spring. To remove the transfer belt tension roller, you must slide it to the right. Use special cloths designed for copier service to thoroughly clean the tension roller. Cleaning cloths are lint-free. This is a specialist product designed for our industry. So just use polypropylene alcohol and thoroughly wash the indicated elements. I will dismantle the drive module with the white gear. Be careful because the white gear can easily get lost because it is not secured. I'm only interested in this side because this is where I'll remove the transfer belt. To easily and safely remove the transfer belt, lift the transfer with one hand and pull the belt out with the other hand, as shown in the video. Slide the transfer belt directly onto your hand. In my opinion, this is the easiest method of disassembling this element. Now it's time to clean the inside of transfer unit. It is worth cleaning all metal rollers. First of all, we wash the rubber drive roller with polypropylene alcohol. This is a very important step. Then wash the 4 thin metal rollers. Use compressed air to remove dirt from all corners. Check if the rollers are properly cushioning on the springs. This is important because you could have blocked the roller during cleaning, so check if the springs are working properly. The roller from black to colored is on a different level, so don't let that worry you. After thoroughly cleaning the transfer unit, we install a new transfer belt from this side. Before we do this, I have a very important tip for you. To avoid premature wear of the transfer tape, find 2 joints on the surface. I mean a thickening or additional foil that only has a smooth approach on one side. This element is a guide for us, thanks to which we know how to install the transfer belt. On one side, you will feel a distinct resistance. On the other side, your screwdriver will slide very easily over the thickening. From this side, we can move the screwdriver without any resistance, so this is the direction in which the transfer tape should be installed. The direction in which the tape rotates to the cleaning blade. You don't have to do this, but by doing so, you reduce the risk of damaging the transfer tape before the designated copy limit. The transfer belt rotates towards the cleaning blade, so you have something to look out for when installing. So let's finally figure out how to install the belt. Place the smooth side towards the cleaning blade. My screwdriver easily goes through the bead, so I know that's the direction I need to install the transfer belt. Now you can see exactly the thickening I was talking about. On one side, you can easily move the screwdriver over the joint, but on the other side, you feel a distinct resistance. Smooth side towards the cleaning blade. Put your hand through the inside of the transfer belt and lift the transfer unit. Now it is very easy to slide the transfer belt into place. Reinstall the drive module and make sure it can move freely. If the module moves freely, slide it all the way back and insert the metal tension shaft. If the roller is pushed all the way in, you will see a fragment of it here. Using the hook, lift the roller shaft up and push it all the way in. If the metal roller is inserted correctly, the two gears will fit together. Two gears set in the correct position. Reinstall the two transfer belt tension springs. Reinstall the metal piece and screw in the securing screws. Of course, remember the small wire, which is very important. Check that the tape turns freely. All that's left is to install a new cleaning blade. Unscrew the securing screw, clean the insides, and install the new blade. Used toner collected here can cause the drain channel to become clogged, so always vacuum here when replacing the cleaning strip. Install the new strip and tighten the securing screws. This is what your repaired and reconditioned unit looks like. Now all you need to do is install this element in your copier or printer. But that's not all. You still need to reset the counter because it's a completely separate operation. Install the copier module and start the device. Enter service mode using a special procedure and select counter options. Remember that the transfer counter cannot be reset until the front cover is closed. So open the front cover and the start key will start to light up blue. This is a sign that it is active. Press it and the counter will be reset. This way you can check if the counter has been reset. As you can see, the time and length are 0, so the procedure was performed correctly. Exit service mode and your copier is ready to copy again.